This tutorial walks you through 3 steps to create a dashboard with logs insights, and share the dashboard with your teammates. In this video, we use Amazon API Gateway logs to demonstrate logs insights. Please check out the video description if you need to know how to configure API Gateway to send its logs to CloudWatch. To implement the project in this video, please ensure the following prerequisites. Check out the video description if you need assistance with any of these prerequisites. First step. Add queries to a dashboard. This video uses Amazon API Gateway logs produced in a previous video. These logs are stored in log groups by CloudWatch logs. You can use logs insights to query log groups and produce charts and other widgets for your dashboard. As a first exercise, run a sample query. To do so, open the CloudWatch console and choose Logs Insights. Select log groups. And the time range you wanna analyze. You can observe 2 fields extracted from logs. Replace the sample query with the query provided in our GitHub repository. Please check out the link in the video description. This query parses the message field, extracting the value found within parentheses as an ID. Use built-in functions to group ID occurrences by the day they occurred. In this video, our logs count 55 distinct calls to our API, along 7 days. You can visualize this result as a bar chart. Add the chart to a dashboard. Create a dashboard, if you don't have one. Your dashboard is ready to be used. Don't forget to save your dashboard, otherwise the widget won't show next time. Now create another analysis. Repeat the same procedure as before. You can use the second query from our GitHub repository. This query further divides the log message into 4 fields. Filter your log to use only messages identified with the value HTTP method. As before, you can use a grouping statistic to consolidate the data. You can add this information to your dashboard, but this time, as a table instead of a chart. Second step. Share your dashboard. To share your dashboard, go to CloudWatch console, open your dashboard, and choose Share Dashboard. You can share your dashboard with up to 5 email addresses. Save the link for testing it later. CloudWatch uses Amazon Cognito to create user and identity pools. These pools control the user access to the dashboard. Whereas the user pool handles authentication, the identity pool handles the authorization. The identity pool attaches an IAM role with permissions that allow using the dashboard. To enable running your queries, you need to add a permission to the automatically created role. Go to IAM console, and attach the AWS Managed Cloud Logs read-only policy to the automatically created role. Last step: test and clean up. In this step, you act as an external user who accesses the shared dashboard. To access the dashboard, you authenticate with credentials Amazon Cognito sent you in the previous step. Go to your email account, and check out the email you received when your dashboard was shared. Use the dashboard link saved previously, and access the dashboard with the credentials you received. As you can see, the dashboard has the same information you saw before. If you want to delete the resources used in this video, start with the dashboard. Then go to Amazon Cognito console and delete both the user pool and the identity pool. Finally, delete the IAM role.